Hello, my friends, and welcome back. So today I wanted to share with you a little quick flash grab bag sale. So I have oops, and more oops, and I wanted to clean everything out, get everything set for Black Friday because I have a huge new release coming and I have replaced a lot of things. So I wanted to make sure that I cleaned out all the old, got rid of all the old kits that were in the old format, stuff that was on the old paper that we don't use anymore, and oops. I can tell you that just please know that these are true oops bags. So there is plenty, more than what I'm asking for these bags, that is usable in every single one of them. I made sure that they have full kits in them. I made sure you have tons of extras in them, but just know that these are true oops bags. So I don't want anybody to get upset thinking that they're getting, just like overstock. A lot of it is overstock. A lot of it is stuff that is that we don't use that paper anymore because, we went to the unicorn paper. So a lot of this is on the premium matte. So there's that. There's also sizes that we don't carry anymore. So there's an entire oops bag of Hobonichi PP Weeks. So anyway, I'm going to go through each one of these, kind of explain what's in them, give you an idea of how many that I have, and I'll start with the one that I only have one of. So I didn't want to go through and try to make try to look at every single one of these sheets and make a bunch of bags up of this. This is all overstock or oops foil. So there is tons of it in here. So all different fun foils, different colors. There's oranges, there's golds, there's greens, there's pinks, there's all kinds of stuff. There's the golds, there's the purples, there's the greens. So silvers, there's all either overstock or oops. So there's a ton of it here and there's only one. So make sure if you're wanting this that you hop on right away as soon as you see this pop up as being available, because like I said, there's only one, and this whole entire little bundle right here is going to be a whole whopping $20. So $20 is the most expensive bag that you're going to find in the oops section. Like I said, I have severely discounted everything because I just need to get it out, and I am one of those people that has that no sticker left behind. So even if it's, oops, I don't have the heart to throw it away. So I save it because I know someday somebody will want it, right? So, but now is time to clean it out because I'm getting too much stuff. So that was because there was only one, I went through that one first. So that is the foil one. You'll find that under the $20 bag. There'll be a drop down menu, which will have there's 3 different $20 things. There's this one, and then there's a bunch more of the other stuff. So don't worry, like if you're looking for standard vertical, or you're looking for Harry Potter, there's more of those. Then obviously the foil is only one of that. Tons of these right here. This is a $5 bag. This is mostly all quarter sheets. I made them a $5 bag, but there's way more than $5 worth of stuff. If you guys know and you've checked out my shop, you know how much we all charge for these, and there's a ton of stuff in here. So there is a vinyl in here with a holiday to-do list. That's a sticker. Then there's like the deep clean. This is a vellum sheet. Then there's some extras. This is a foiled sheet. Not all of them have. These are all different. I can tell you that if you buy more than one, you may get some duplicates of the actual scripts, but they'll probably be in different fonts. They'll probably be, so if you get more than one of the $5 bags, they're probably not all going to be the same by any means. But that being said, there may be duplicates. So, but you will not probably find 2 of the exact same. So this, I'm just going through it. I'm not even going to bother. Like, you can pause, you can slow down, you can do what you need to see if this is something that you'd be interested in. But I redid all the scripts in the shop. So these are all gone. Like, none of this stuff is stuff that you will be able to find anymore. There's a couple of So Thankfuls in here, a lot of icon sheets. Then I've got some Be Happy stuff in here with the color format for the icons. We don't carry the icon sheets anymore. So if you're looking for these, all of these $5 bags have icon sheets in them of all different like colors. There's more than one in them. So I think that's a pretty good deal. $5 for all that. I hope you guys like that. So there's that one. Plenty of those. Let's do the $10 bags next. So I do have a few. I don't have a ton of these because we don't carry this anymore, and I haven't made these in a long time. But these are the Hobonichi / PP Weeks stuff. So I'll go through one of these with you. These are $10 bags, and you'll see why. So there's a monthly. There's a standard vertical kit in here because I had one extra, and so I put it in here. But most of this is all PP Weeks stuff. So this is the Nomi Halloween. This is Jolly. Then you've got these are all full kits. This is the red, white, blue, so this one's good for coming up for July. Then you've got llama style, which I love llama style. I need to reformat that. I love that artwork. And then you've got girl power. And then there's some extras that I threw in here because you had a Nomi Halloween kit in here. I put the Nomi Halloween, this is the dividers and some doodle boxes and some icons. And then you also had Jolly in here, so I put some Jolly stuff as well. So I tried to keep it somewhat within the same family so you didn't just get a bunch of random stuff. But then there's also a bunch of random stuff. So you're going to kind of get a hodgepodge of things, but it's going to be well worth more than $10. And like I said, like most all of these bags have some sort of an oops in them. It may be cut a little too deep. It may be just that I'm not using that paper anymore. I call that an oops because I'm not going to sell it. So what else am I going to do with it? Anyway, yeah, so that's that. So, and then this is a pretty fat stack. It's $10. I have a lot more of the standard vertical stuff than I do of like any of the other. So I have a lot of these, and so I discounted these ones to $10 because this is more of a hodgepodge. So there's not as many full kits in these bags, the $10 bags, as there is in the $20 bags. So this is just, if you're a journaling person, you're going to have a lot of stuff in here to use for journaling. And then there's also like, this one has a monthly in the new format, but it's missing the extra pieces. It just has this one in it, so that's why it's discounted and in this bag. Then there's a little doodle sheet with our old characters. Then you have a lot of washi pages, which are great for using for journaling. Like I said, this is a great bag for journaling. Happy Camper deco, Happy Camper extras. I tried, like I said, to make sure that I gave you as many matching extras as I could. This one is Farmhouse Chic, deco, washi. Sorry, I'm like all over the place. I'm trying to get it in camera and get it on here, but all the extras for that. Then there's a few functional sheets in here. I think that's the summer, that's the spring. What else we got? What else? I don't even know what's in here. Oh, Fun on the 4th. Good one for 4th of July coming up. Well, this looks like it's a full kit. So this is a full kit. Full kit. Yeah, and it's got the extras. Fun on the 4th extras too. So there's that. Then there's a thankful. This is only 3 pages because it only had, that's all I had was page 1, page 2, and washi, but that is more than enough to do a mini kit. And then there is a TPC Nation planner. This is the, I think a monthly. Yeah, this is a monthly TPC Nation planner. But remember, if it's TPC Nation, it's 1.5, which is standard vertical. So just so you know. This is all the extras for the watermelon kit. And then, like I said, there's some other extras in here. There's Nomi Halloween in here just because I wanted to give you that. I wanted to give you like extra icons since we don't carry the icons anymore. And these are all different color palettes. And they were super popular when we had them in the shop. But they were a lot of cutting and a lot of time to make. And they just weren't worth it in the long run because I try to give you, you know, other icon sheets, other ways to do it that are better. And plus we went to making our own icon sheets. So having the hand-drawn stuff is so much more fun for us than having the same stuff that everybody else has. So there's that. And now we'll get into the $20 bags. So I'll start with the $20 Harry Potter. So there's only a few of these. I don't have a lot of extras in the Harry Potter stuff. It is always popular and I don't typically have a lot of leftovers, but to be honest, most all of this is in the old paper format, so in the old format period. So there are extras. So there's some Luna, and then there's the Luna extras. So like I said, these ones though have full kits in them. Then this is a book. What's that one? The book tracker. What else is in here? Let's see. Oh, we've got Potioneer, deco, and washi. I tried to give you extras if I had extras. I don't like that. Let's throw that out. Then I just realized that that one was all messed up. That's not even worthy of an oops bag, so I'm going to get rid of it, even though the bottom part is fine, but I wouldn't put that in here. And then there is some wisdom. You've got washi this is from Magic School Year 3. Here's the extras from Magic School Year 3. I promise you there's full kits in here. I'm just getting through all the extras. Like I put a lot of extra things in the back of these, and then, you know, if it's something you don't need or you don't want, gift it to somebody else. Icons in Thestrals. Then it looks like there's a full Luna kit in this one. Let's see. Yep, this is a full Luna kit. There's a full monthly Gringotts kit in here. There's a full Gryffindor mini kit in here. And then what else? There's all the extras for the mini kit in Gryffindor. Sorry, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Then there's TPC Nation Wisdom. There's the TPC Nation Wisdom and some Wisdom extras. And then there's the Burrows, which looks like a full kit of the Burrows. Sorry. Then what else we got? More Burrows. So the icons for the Burrows and the doodle boxes and all that. And then I made sure to give you like all this stuff too. So I had extras of Tea with Hagrid, extras of the characters from year 1. This is Hagrid's Pumpkin Patch. That is astronomy class. Here's all my little characters from year 2. Love that. Love that. And then there's some other extras. So this is Magic School Year 4 extras and some of the date dots and like scripts. So this is what Harry Potter, but when you see it on the website under the $20 section, it's going to say magical classes, so I don't get in trouble. So, but just know that those are all the Harry Potter inspired kits. And there's a few of these, not a ton, like I said, there's not as many as there are of the standard vertical. And then this is a $20 standard vertical. So I tried to make sure that there was all kits in here. So this is a foiled kit. This one is Country Christmas, and it is a gold foiled kit. Then there's functional boxes, Winter Palette 1. We don't do those anymore. What else? What else is in here? Oh, there's the Force. So there's a full Force. This is a new one, and it's in the right paper. I don't know why I have it in here. Maybe there's an oops on here somewhere, but that's in the unicorn paper. There's Hello Fall. Just some, I think this is, nope, it's a full Hello Fall kit. So sorry, I can't grab anything. So that's a full Hello Fall kit, and then all the Hello Fall extras. And then this is a foiled, so this is Paradise, and it's a foiled kit, foiled washi, more foiled washi. That's your page 2. There's a lot of stuff in here. And then I tried to give you, like I said, if I had extras, so these are your shop trackers. Then there are 2 of those. And then these are the foldable boxes, doodle boxes, foldable boxes, and book tracker. Then we've got a monthly of nautical and a weekly of nautical. So you got both the monthly and the weekly of nautical in this particular one. And this looks like a TPC Nation, but remember, 1.5 size boxes, 1.5 inch wide boxes, I should say. So they will fit all of the 7x9 planners. And then these are all the extras for nautical. Then what else we got in here? So then there's a bunch of just extra stuff. So some like past TPC sale stuff, freebies. Then there's a cleaning script one in here. What did I put in this one? Icons from one of the kits, Christmas gift icons. These are the vellum days of the week. There's Frankie, the stickers, and harvest tracker. So this is what's in a $20 standard vertical, something similar to this. I tried to make them all as close as I could, but they are going to have different kits in them. Just know that this is about the size of the $20 bags. So $20 are these ones here. These are the $20. This is the $5 one. And then these are the $10 ones. So like I said, all of this, I don't know if I said it. I may not have said it. I don't know. I can't remember what I said now. The 4th. So all of this will be available in the shop on the 4th. It will be in its own little section called the Oops section. There'll be drop-down menus for you to pick and choose some of the things, all of the things, none of the things, whatever you want to do. Like, it'll all be there, and it'll be there starting on the 4th. So you guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. This is like your Black Friday kind of get ready to go shopping kind of a thing, cleaning out the old, bringing in the new. And I have a lot, like the Black Friday new release video is going to be huge. So get your coffee, get your snacks, get your jams on, put your slippers on, relax, because that is going to be a hell of a long video. And I apologize in advance, but there's a lot of stuff to go over. And when I do release the new release video for the month of November, it will also have as much of the Black Friday information as I can share with you. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. Everything will be linked down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.